Welcome to The Art Project. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm rolling this 20-sided dice, for which I just got a 17. And that 17 corresponds with the 17th letter of the alphabet, which is Q. So I'm going to flip the pages to Q in the monster manual, and I'm going to draw whatever monster that is. Most of these have more than one monster under each letter, but for Q, there is only one monster, and that is a Quaggoth. Quaggoth. So I began it in pencil, and I finished it in ink, and it was kind of fun. This is the third time that I've done this. I did a Quattle, which is a snake basically with wings. There's more to it than that. Then I also did a pseudo dragon. I've actually loaded some pictures up to Instagram, so if you want to see those, you can go to Instagram and see them. Look down in the description below for links to Instagram and so on. Let me tell you what the Dungeon Master's Guide, not the Dungeon Master's Guide, the Monster Manual says about the Quaggoth. Savage and territorial, Quaggoths climb the chasms of the Underdark. They maul their foes in a frenzy, becoming even more murderous in the face of death. Quaggoth origins. Quaggoths were never an enlightened species, but they were not always the brutal Underdark denizens they are today. In a distant age, Quaggoth tribes dwelled upon the surface as nocturnal arboreal hunters possessing their own language and culture. When elves appeared in the mortal realm, they clashed with the Quaggoths, eventually driving them to near extinction. Only by fleeing deep into the Underdark did the Quaggoths survive. As they passed the ages deep beneath the world, the Quaggoths' fur lost its color and their vision adapted to the darkness, even as the constant danger and weird magic of their new realm transformed them. Turning increasingly brutal and savage, they ate whatever food they could find, and when they could not find it, they preyed on each other. As cannibalism became part of their culture, their past was abandoned. Servants of the Drow. The ancient enmity between Quaggoths and surface elves make them easy converts to the Dark Elf cause. In recent years, the Drow have taken an interest in breeding Quaggoths, encouraging their ferocity while strengthening their obedience. Wealthy Drow houses have legions of Quaggoths at their command. Even worse, the Drow can cultivate the Quaggoths' hatred of the elves by leading them on surface raids against known elf enclaves. Thonauts. Some Quaggoths absorb psionic energy that suffuses certain parts of the Underdark. When a tribe discovers that one of its own has inherited such powers, they press it into the role of tribal shaman or Thonaut. A Thonaut keeps a tribe's lore and ensures its superiority against enemies. A Thonaut that fails the tribe is slain and devoured in cannibalistic ritual in the hope that its power passes to another more worthy Quaggoth. Poison immunity. Generations of hunting venomous subterranean creatures and perpetual exposure to the molds and fungi that grow in the depths have forced Quaggoths to adapt immunities to poisons of all kinds. Variant. Quaggoth Thonaut. A Quaggoth Thonaut is a normal Quaggoth with a challenge rating of 3, 700 experience points. This is in contrast to a regular Quaggoth, which has a challenge rating of 2 and 450 experience points. And the following traditional trait: innate spellcasting psionics. The Quaggoth's innate spellcasting ability is Wisdom, spell save DC 11. The Quaggoth can innately cast the following spells requiring no components: at will, Featherfall, Mage Hand. The hand is invisible. 1 per day each. Cure wounds, enlarge, reduce, heat metal, and mirror image. Quaggoths have an armor class of 13 as their natural armor and hit points of 45. Speed 30 feet and climb 30 feet. This is the Quaggoth. This is what I'm drawing here. Hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. There it is. Pause and admire its glory. Now it's your turn to go make some art.